Meaning of filament.
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 Filament. Filament refers to a thin thread-like structure, typically composed of a material such as glass or plastic. This structure is often used in the manufacturing of light bulbs, 3D printing, and other industrial applications. Filaments are known for their high tensile strength, durability, and ability to withstand high temperatures. When heated, filaments can soften and become malleable, allowing them to be shaped into various forms. Overall, filaments play an important role in modern manufacturing and engineering, providing a versatile and reliable material for a wide range of applications.